Imagine turning a simple photo into a heartfelt video with lifelike hugs and kisses. With Kling AI, you can do just that, completely free and beginner-friendly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make your personalized video today. Step 1. Access Kling AI online. Start by visiting the Kling AI website at klingai.com. This innovative AI tool is perfect for animating still photos with realistic gestures and emotions. Step 2. Set up your free account. To get started, click the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, set a password, and confirm your email to unlock Kling AI's features. It's quick, easy, and free to join. Step 3. Upload a picture. Once you've logged in, click on AI video. Then choose image to video, click on upload photo. Choose a high quality image of yourself, a friend, or a loved one. Ensure the photo is clear and focused on the face for the best results. Step 4. Write a suitable prompt. I'm writing a prompt my way, you write it your way. Two people kissing each other, and then click on the generate button. Step 5. Customize and download. Before finalizing, you can tweak the animation settings to make it even more personal. Once satisfied, preview the video and click download to save your creation. It's now ready to share and enjoy. Conclusion. With Kling AI, you can create touching videos that bring your memories to life in a unique way. Try it out today to create something truly special for your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.